Of garbage in fact is here because the original plant, processing plant that had been installed here did not work. That contractor left and then NGT and all the others got involved, and thanks to all of that an order was issued for them to clear this altogether, sort it, distribute it, throw it away, whatever needs to be done. A new contract has been given. These people are expected to make this is running late, should have been finished by now. But as we see, there is a lot of work going on, and hopefully another 6-8 months this thing will disappear.
And once the segregation is happening, I mean automatically, because composting is happening at home, people, I mean basically from the informal sector, people, their earnings will increase because the rate of recycling is increasing for them.
In a joint family, cousins, around 10 cousins, elders coming, and so a lot of kitchen waste used to be there. I never saw kitchen waste going out. Either the peels are made into chutneys, and the other peels are made into manure. And of course, that time we never had any one-time plastic. So Hyderabad, I did a major thing, like I took few volunteers and went door to door and asked them to do segregation, though we had a lot of protests, but ultimately we succeeded. Then she's Akanksha, right? Yeah. Akanksha. Yeah. And yourself? Leftovers means, I'll tell you, leftovers में बहुत होते हैं, rice होते हैं, बातें होती हैं.
Bread जो लेकिन last वाले slices है bread के, we also.
That was an effort, but only avoid cheese, butter, oil. These three things you have to avoid, and non-veg. Watermelon का वो green का होता है ना, वो छोटा छोटा कर दीजिए. It's not soggy.
Many people think that okay, it's only women who has to do it, but even guys like me can do composting. It basically takes just 5 minutes every day, and if I can do it, anybody can. Composting basically, and the most important benefit of composting is segregation of waste is happening automatically. And approximately 50 to 60% of our waste is organic waste, which can be composted at home.
In 2000, I think 2003, I have started a nature club, Chinmaya Nature Club, where I was working, Chinmaya Vidyalaya. So there, that really helped me. So what happened was, I used to make the children do herbal garden, make a herbal garden, and then do all the recycling, and then all the polythenes which were lying in their houses were made into best out of waste. All these things were done, and then we made a vermicomposting pit. So the journey, I mean, it extended. In fact, it never stopped. I worked in Dubai, I worked in Bangalore, I worked in Hyderabad. Wherever I went, my only focus was, in fact, my passion. What do you call it? It's a passion or obsession, whatever it is. It was only waste management.